here's our latest little activity. Good spelling practice, good letter recognition practice, and really fun as well. What you'll need is a set of crayons, some paper, and some little stencils. Little cardboard stencils are made from plastic. So these are some that I have. And what I've done to begin with, of course, and a set of markers. I take the markers and I draw a little picture. Very simple. Anybody can draw. And I leave some space on the top of the page. And then a little boy has to go through all our stencils. Here are our alphabet stencils. And he has to find the right letters to spell out the word. For example, sun. So we take the letters S-U-N. He sounds them out S-N, so that's good spelling practice. And then we put our paper on top of the stencils, and the kid colors on top with the crayons. He has to make sure that he holds it down, otherwise the stencil tends to move over a bit like it did here. So as he holds his papers while he colors it. And then you can see the word sun. And then we did the same with cat. They really had a blast doing this. So see if you can do this little spelling activity, reading activity with your child, and have fun.